Hi guys. Welcome to PDF.co. Today, we will show you how to convert PDF to CSV from the uploaded file in Python using PDF.co web API. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. Let's begin. First, if you haven't yet, kindly install the request module. Type in Python mpip install request in your command line. Next, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in Python. Then, enter the Python sample code. You can get the Python sample code in PDF.co API docs. In line 6, insert your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 12, input the source PDF file name. Then, type in your desired output file name. After setting up the code, you may now run the program. Once the program runs successfully, the output will be saved to result.csv. Now, let's check the folder to view the output. Here's the converted CSV output from PDF invoice. We've got a lot of video tutorials. You may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.